Hello guys, and welcome to another Elliott Waves on Cryptos. Today, after the popular vote of the QIC Telegram group, I would like to make a video on Luna, winning of course the popular weekly vote. As you well know, last time and we didn't do BTC, so I will also do BTC because it's a very significant moment currently with a triple top, and most of the market participants also wondering what's going to happen. So BTC and Luna, that is going to be. Also, don't forget that I have also opened my Telegram channel. It is of course a private group, and you are more than welcome to have a free trial. In case you are willing to do so, you should send me a message on YouTube. In the about section, you're going to find my Telegram details, so feel free to contact me there. Now, before we'll go ahead, of course, do know that none of this is expected to be providing you any signals, and it's not supposed to be considered as investment advice. It's purely all educational. For that reason, of course, you should do your own research before making any decisions. So without further ado, let's go and jump and have a quick look on BTC and then on Luna. I would of course like to start with BTC, but due to some recent requests, guys, we are going to stay on BTC for now. What I want to do is go a bit further out, zoom out, and show you my longer term counts, because a lot of you have been asking for it. So here's actually what we are currently seeing. Yeah, so you can see that's my wave one in the super cycle degree. I've got a W, X, and Y here in 2, then 3, 4, and I'm expecting 5. Okay, I'm expecting that wave. Well, in the medium term, another leg down to 23, 40 or so, 25. I know most of you won't like it, and you probably hate me for this, but it doesn't really make any difference, guys. Whether you want it or not, market is going to take its course regardless of what you think. Now, I'm not here to be a bearish or a bear or a bull. I'm bearish when markets are falling, bullish when markets go up. So currently I see that there is another leg down, okay, upcoming. So I will remain with that in mind until the charts are going to show me something different. With that said though, yeah, there is a lot of bullish signs that we see currently in the markets. One of those also the one I've been expecting. Now, if you recall, I am looking at an expanding flat down here in wave W, expecting a correction in wave X, and then a continuation all the way down in wave Y of 4. Okay, I was expecting this to be a wave 4 of this flat, because I wanted that to finish in a 5-wave impulse. However, due to recent moves that we've seen and due to current price action, most likely this is like a W, X, and Y. Of course, then you might have those who are going to be asking, what if we just ended down here and then we're going to start moving higher from here? Well, I can guarantee you guys that this does not look impulsive, okay? It does not look impulsive. So unless you come and tell me that this is some weird looking like W, X, and Y, and we finished here with a truncation, and that's my 1 and 2, and we're gonna see 3, 4, and 5, then fine. But then again, that so far move looks like an ABC rather than anything else. Now, with that said, let me also remind you that usually, here I've got an AB, right? Usually we expect wave C or 3, because we still don't know what it is, to be at least 100% of wave A and B, okay? That is at 48.79. And we still haven't even got wave 1 of the previous downside leg broken at 47K. This is exactly where we stopped 3 times, okay? This move from down, and we're actually seeing the rejection of this channel that I was saying that is going to be short and bullish at least. Yeah, we are seeing this now. We have really hard time to cross that level, guys. Okay, now Today is Friday, okay? So it is Friday, and what's going to happen is most likely we're not going to see that crossing right now because institutions are out for the week, most likely. If we see an upside move, it's very likely going to be Saturday and Sunday night for a fresh high, and probably when I see Sunday night prices gain back into here, because then Monday we're going to have a clearer sign about what the institution is going to do. Okay, this is what I think at least is going to happen. Perhaps I'm though wrong. Now, another thing we need to do is go down here, connect my B and my A, and this is my channel for this correction that I'm expecting at least. Yeah, and you can see that currently we're just stopped in the middle over here. Now I've got here this 1 2 3. It's a bit of confusion, sorry, because I was just trying to figure out the count here. This is the count, guys. It's either that we've got 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? And this is 1 2 3, and we're going to start moving higher up for wave 3 4 and 5. So that's my 1, that's my 2 3 4 and 5. I suspect we're gonna go around the 51 52 area, okay? And apart from that though, yeah, this is one of the scenarios. What else we can say is we can say that, you know, this is some sort of like ending diagonal perhaps, okay? And we've got something like ABC, that's 1, that's 2, ABC, that's 3, that's 4. I'm gonna get another ABC. That's gonna be like an open diagonal, but do know that open diagonals are not really usual. They are really rare. Okay, so if we see one here, fine. But I'm just saying this is some sort of scenario that I'm expecting here. Now, another thing to note, of course, right? That it might be a case, guys, this wave Y, all of it is an ending diagonal. Okay, so that might be 1 and 2. That might be like 3. I'm gonna see 4 entering that territory, yeah, below the 42 or something. And then we're gonna go higher up, and that's gonna be some sort of ending diagonal there. We're really playing with possibilities here. I wouldn't even say probabilities, but I just want you to have, you know, an open mind to what really can happen in the markets, that nothing should really surprise you. What I do see here is an impulsive, somewhat impulsive move with some sort of correction, right? And that correction is expected to lead to fresh highs, indeed, in the short term. Then only if we enter this channel, we're gonna start looking at perhaps, you know, some validation to confirm the downside, okay? Until then, we can remain bullish, and we can remain bullish up to, hold on, let me just take this from the beginning, that wave 1 over here, all the way down, and look at this. So we've got, hold on, we've got really the 48K. The 48K is a big level, and then the 51, hold on, that's the 61.8, 0.762, yeah. Anywhere between these levels. I know it's a big range, but well, this is currently we're playing with the long term, so we can expect, as I said before, anything. But I would be cautious. I would be cautious with what is really happening over here, because we haven't really crossed the 61.8 Fibo just yet, and it's important to get out the way for bulls to really resume this bull run, because everyone thinks that this bottom is the resumption of the bull run. Guys, this does not exist in technical analysis. Please do not believe that stuff. This is not resumption of a bull right down here. We're still in a bear market as we speak, okay? Anyway, let me get to Luna. Where is Luna? There. I talked about Luna recently. Luna does not really look corrective, okay? We have complete different structures over here that are looking definitely more bullish, okay? in any way, we are still below the previous low, and below the previous low, anything can happen. Okay, we have a base channel here to take into account. We are trading back within, and we're also trading outside this descending channel, which both of them are bullish signs. Yeah. However, if we take into the internal structure over here and how it unrolls to the upside, we've just finished the 161 extension of waves 1 and 2 over here. Yeah, the minute degree over here. So if we are to continue higher, the next level is going to take us up to the 200. Okay, that's the 21 or so, and that's going to be, of course, the previous high as well. Now, what are the chances, though, of moving lower from here? Well, it really depends on BTC. Don't forget that everything is going to be dragged either up or, well, dragged, yeah, or down. So here we've got an ABC indeed for wave 4. Looks like it's in. Here's my 1, here's my 2, and then you've got 1, 2, and then you've got 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So I want this to be pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And then that's going to be internal, my minor 3, then I'm going to get a 4 that is similar to this in time, and then another wave up for 5. That's going to be the impulse to the upside, guys. But there is also a scenario where my wave 4 is going to be here, yeah, and that is going to be a W, that is going to be an X and a Y, or even more likely, A, B, and a C, which is a flat, because we've got an ABC over here. That can be considered as an AB, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as C, okay? And then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to complete this flat pattern. Obviously, if BTC falls, this is a very high likelihood scenario, okay? But what I will be looking in the meantime, guys, I will be looking for prices to remain above these channels over here, both, yeah, in order to remain bullish. And what else I will be looking, I will connect now my the 2s over here, and then up to 1, yeah, which comes pretty much over here. And what I will do, so we're expecting wave 3 to be done around anywhere between above actually the current high and up to 21 or so, yeah. And then we can expect wave 4 to come and really bounce down at this level. If that happens, we're going to receive an acceleration channel, okay? And instead, we'll be able to draw 1 and 3, connect them with 2, and pretty much see where we're heading, okay? So I will be able to follow these as a sort of guide, okay, to assume to project fresh highs from here. And that's either the case, because we still expect that another leg up either way, right? To complete either 3 of 5, or that's going to be 5 of C, okay? 5 of C, because we're expecting, as we said, an A, of B, an A, B, and a C. Yeah, so I hope this is not confusing. I know it's a bit of a mess, but in case you do have questions, guys, go ahead on the YouTube comment section and leave your comments there. Also, as a reminder, again, if you want to join my Telegram channel, I'm giving trials for a bit, and you can find me in the About section. There is my details there. Go ahead and send me a message on Telegram, and I'm more than happy to add you for a trial. So thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the trading week.